catfish hunter strikes again.
Good morning, catfish hunters. Yep, back in Safeway with chicken liver. Yep, got my bell ready. Chicken liver, just wait. Ooh, there's a pin, there's a pin. Oh, 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 oh. Caught him, caught him, caught him. Oh, sorry. Is it there? Yeah, see, fish is there. Let's see. Oh yeah, catfish, baby, catfish. Yeah, catfish hunter strikes again. Let's see if I can pull that up. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Getting closer. Getting closer. Come on. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, it's fighting back. Really fighting back. Channel cat, baby. Channel cat. Yeah. It's not bad, Lord. It's not bad. Circle hook, 3 bells. That's a channel cat. Look at that spot. Yeah, pepper spot. Wow. All right, let's go. Got a bite, got a bite, got a bite. Oh. Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, damn, a dragon. Oh, baby. Come on. Long walk. Come on. Whew. Oh my God. This is my fork cat. Take a video on the last two. Oh. Two. It pulled me out. Whew. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh. Come on, where you at? Yeah. Oh man, that's a fatty. Oh, look at that. Oh damn. That's a fat channel. Woo. Lord. 24. Oh my God, that's a big one. Huge. Ho 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 ho, ho, ho. Wow. Channel cat turning yellow. That's a perfect color. Yeah. Beautiful. Just want you to know. Yeah. Let's go. Look at that. Safeway. And that side is Costco.
Please like and follow
Yeah,
Poggy Fishing.
24.5 exactly. That's what I thought.